This episode of On Patrol, I deal with a very disobedient group of teens riding mini bikes on the property. They are joined by pickup drivers and a nasty kid who frequently causes trouble. Here he's laying on the horn. These idiots should have been thinking that I was recording all this, video and audio, but they just don't care. Permanent record of careless and imprudent driving.
Security, Syborg.
It's up to you. You want to do that to your friends. I don't think they'll be too happy about that, but I'm just going to sit here a while.
Read my plate, it's pretty funny.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Get out of here now. You already stayed 10 minutes later than I told you, so let's go. You're being recorded right now, and he was too. You guys are all the same.